Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys the perfect way to apply hot water setting on your braided wigs. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to join the family, kindly do so. So guys, I'm going to use this wig as a sample to show you guys how to easily apply or set your braided wigs with hot water, the do's and the don'ts, or how the perfect way, the right way for you to go about it. So for this, you only need your bowl and then your hot water. I said hot water, please, not warm water. So the first thing you are going to do after you are done with everything, I'm still going to show you guys how to make your braided wig glueless. I will be dropping the video next. So just get your braided wig and then put it inside a bowl like so. Then go ahead and get your hot water and make sure you pour the hot water on all the braids. Don't worry about it being straight. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to make it not to have rumps or how not to rumple. Okay, so go ahead and soak it in a bowl. Use bowl to do this. Okay, you know why? Because you're still going to use the hot water. I see what I'm trying to do to make sure every part of it is soaked with the water, so that if there is anyone that is rumple, I can straighten it. Okay, so you need a bowl. Guys, it's hot. Okay, if you can't hold it, you can use something to hold it. So for you not to get burns, you can use something to hold it. So after that process, the next thing, go ahead and place it on your mannequin head. Okay, place it on your mannequin head and set it very well. Make sure all the braids are this place is supposed to be. Okay, then get the hot water again and start pouring it on the mannequin head. Pour it on the wigs, then watch closely to see if there's anyone that is not straight. This also applies if your braided wig is a straight wig and you want it to be as straight as possible. Just pour the hot water on it and watch if there are anyone that's not straight. Use the hot water to set it up for it to be straight. So this is simply just 2 minutes video on how you can easily apply and set hot water your braided wigs. Then when you are done with this, you can go ahead and allow it to sun dry, or you can air dry it. Depending on the wig, if it is a curly hair that you did, then you need to apply add air conditioner to the hot water before applying it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.